Hey guys, thanks so much for tuning in today. I'm here to take you along with me on my day full of farm chores. Just another ordinary day, getting some stuff done. I hope that you like this video, and if you do like this sort of content, please give me a like and subscribe so I know to keep making this sort of content. Also, stick around till the very end. I've got a pretty cute clip of the cows and cats. It's just, melted my heart. Love it. Here I am just trying to break up all the ice in the hose. What was in the shade was still frozen, even though it was about 50 degrees this day. It was awesome. sense. These cows keep testing it. Are you waiting? Are you ready? Okay, here I come. I've made all this ruckus with the truck, with the water, and being out here for probably about a half an hour already, and the pigs haven't come out once. So let's go check on them and see what's going on. I'm trying to be quiet to see if I can sneak up on them. Oh, hello. Hi, pigs. What you guys doing in here? Hello. Good morning. Good morning. Should we get you some breakfast? Should we get you some breakfast? Yeah. of the day. Checking for eggs. Got one. Hi. I don't mean to disturb you, ma'am. Can I see what's under your butt? Hello. Don't tell me we've got a broody chicken. I would love to grab your eggs. Okay. Can I please just... Don't... Come on. Oh, kitty. Get out of here, kitty. Hi. Can I please just... I don't want you to peck me, because I will... Oh, I'm not... I'm going to scream. Please. Ma'am? 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 Ma'am, please. Okay. I'll have to call for reinforcements then. That egg was in my basket. How many are there? Yes. Gold. All right.
That's it.
Thanks, babe.